right, so special thanks to this company. They were nice enough to send me their RV hose bags. So this is a 3-pack of basically storage bags for RV hoses. Unbagged, because it's not really an unboxing. And 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm not entirely certain, are they all they're not. So look at this. This one, dirty water. Look at that. You can, just tie it up. That's pretty cool. What about, oh, what's this? Oh, that's like the little tag thing. Okay. And so what's this one? Does this one say? This one says electric. All right. Oh, I see. So since it's for the hoses, this is for like a dirty water hose for like, I guess, draining certain parts of your RV. Okay. Electric, dirty water, and then fresh water. So this would be the one that you'd have, to bring your new water in. All right, that all makes a lot more sense than it did before, but these are the RV hose bags. They're each labeled and they each come with these little plastic tie-on identifiers, it seems. But yeah, fresh water, dirty water, electric, RV hose bags. That'll do it for this unboxing. Again, thanks to the company for sending these my way, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.